Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I want to talk about a new project that I'm doing for December. Now you will have known that in October I did my Halloween journal. In November I plan to do my journaling in here with the Kuretake brush pen. In December I am doing December Daily. December Daily is a memory keeping project by Ali Edwards. It's in a class, it's a whole movement to embrace the holidays, to embrace December and embrace the memory keeping, the memories, the magic of the season. The magic of the season. Said a little bit ironically because historically I do not embrace the magic of the season. Reason being, and this is the reason why I am doing this year. I have a birthday in December. It's the middle of December, it's the 16th, and when I was a child, my gifts was all lumped together with the holidays. So, and you know, that's just a part of growing up with a December birthday, and people have it way worse than me with birthdays. Some people have like Christmas Day. I get it. Some people have it way worse. But let me tell you, it got really annoying to have gifts that were, oh, here's a big gift for birthday and Christmas. Well, when am I supposed to unwrap that? For my birthday or for Christmas? Because one of those is going to get left out. Or I would get my birthday gifts wrapped in Christmas paper because it was harder to find birthday paper during Christmas time. Or having my birthday cards put up next to the Christmas card. It just felt like my birthday was always an afterthought at the holidays. So when I became an adult, I had a strict rule in my house that no decorations, no nothing got put up until the 17th, the day after my birthday, so that my birthday got the full recognition that it deserved as the day that I became here on this earth. But it fully turned into Grinchmas, Ebenezer Scrooge, and yeah, it went downhill. Because then we got a boy dog in 2013, and then we ceased to have a Christmas tree because I had a boy dog, and boys and trees don't technically mix, do they? And I had nowhere to put a Christmas tree that was not within leg cocking reach. So we had a little tabletop tree. It's probably about 2 feet tall, and that has been our tree for the past 11 years. And then the decorations got fewer and fewer, and then basically the holiday decorations just ceased pretty much altogether. We still did dinner, we still did a holiday dinner, but the whole season of December was basically the lead up to my birthday, and then, oh, maybe we'll put a few things up for the holidays. So this year will be different. This year I am embracing it fully. And I decided that I was going to join in December Daily and document it. So I'm going to really dive in to the holiday season this year. We will, like, Buddy the Elf will have thrown up in our house this year. That's how far we're going. We're going all the way. So I bought my album to do December Daily. I have bought a ton of other stuff which will be in my budget update, but let's look at my album, see what I bought, and my plans for December Daily. Okay, so this is my box. Now, Rini from the Enchanted Planner, my BFF, she is doing December Daily also, but we bought the same thing, because of course we did. And that is this. We bought the build an album thing, and then I have some of the dividers, some of the page pockets. And this is basically my album. Now, I'm going to save the box. I'm going to save the box because the box is going to house the papers, the big papers that I don't have any room for. So that is going in there, and that's a sneak peek of the stuff that I've already bought for this project. But this is the album that I chose, and I went back and forth. Should I buy this? Should I make one? Like, and I'm like, no, I'm just going to buy one. I'm just going to buy one. And I also realized when Rini said that she didn't have a hole punch, that I also don't have a 6-hole punch, but I'm sure I can find a way, or I could just use my single punch. I will find a way. So this is me building the album. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And also notice that it's red and gold. So I will also be embracing everything gold this season. So that is my album. And then I have 3 different inserts. And these are pocket pages, but I will be doing some outside of the pockets as well, outside of the page protectors as well. And I'll be saving these for any crafty projects. Are they in upside? They're in upside down. They're in upside down. Okay, let's put them in the right way. So I'm also going to be doing the class with Ali Edwards. I've done the hybrid one already, and I've got the kit as well, the December daily kit. I'm learning now. I'm actually putting these in the right way. I am learning. So in here I have 20 of these page protectors that are 3x4 little pockets, so 6 in each page. And then I have 5 of the full page dividers, and then 5 of these which are 4x6 and 4x4, or 6x4. But that is my album. Now my whole other thing is I want to also use maybe these. Now this is my little goodie pack of dividers. These are actually for a different size, but all I have to do is punch more holes and they could also fit in there. So that's going to be an option too, of adding these in should I want to. And I've got a 3 pocket there, a little half page, and then I have these that are like little business card holder type pockets. So I'm going to put these to one side as well. Now, I also have a whole drawer of stuff. You saw the paper. I was sorting out my office recently, and I also bought some more stuff. So this is an old Christmas card. This is an old Christmas card, but I thought that was kind of apt. So there's another Christmas card in here as well, but this is my little drawer. I've got some sparkly vinyl, I've got ink, I've got ribbon, I've got sparklies to go in shaker pockets, I've got tags, I've got brads, I've got felt. Anything that I felt would go with the project. I have 2 of these. These are Christmas cards that I liked the look of. So anything that I felt would go with the project, I've put in this drawer. And this will be my catch-all, hold everything drawer for creating. So I'm going to put those in there because I also have these, which I could use in the project and cut some things on my Cricut for. So that's what I'm thinking right now, is my stuff that I'm storing is going in there. And then this is going to go on the shelf because it's not going to go anywhere else. So all of the things that I buy, like new ink, my shaker pocket stuff, some ribbon, all of my supplies are going to be in here, apart from the paper. But I'm going to cut the paper down at some point and start filling in some pockets. We do that on the prep day, which is, again, as you're watching this right now, I will be busy doing this today and prepping some pages ahead of time. So you're going to have some crafty stuff coming, is all I'm going to say. And again, my big paper is in here. One other thing that I wanted to mention in the prep for this is that in the back of my planner, where I keep my brainstorming section, I've got a little calendar here. This was available as a download that I found on somebody's video. I don't know if it was from the group or something, but this was from 2023. I've just whited it out, put 2024. And it's got a little calendar. And it just helped me kind of fit in some of the things that I know I'm going to be documenting as part of this project. And then at the bottom, I've just got some ideas of things that I want to document as part of this project. So I know that I've got my birthday, I know that we've got a Christmas Zoom with family, that there's Yule. I want to do something about the Christmas cards we've received, getting the decorations out, our Christmas card, our tree, buying new decorations, Christmas Day. I want to do a self-care day. I want to do something about the dogs, food shopping, a wish list, something about missing family at this time of year, and that might be something to do with the family Zoom that we do. I can do something about the news that's going on that month. Clothing, that's going to be a big thing as well. I would like to get some kind of Christmassy sweater or something, like an ugly Christmas sweater. I've got movies, TV, advent calendars, the five senses, listening, reading, etc. Gratitude, weather. And I've just put today I as a prompt, something that I did that day. And the one thing that I know I'm going to do is a new mug. I bought myself a Christmas mug. I've already bought it. So yes. So that's what I did there. And then here I've got some sketch ideas of layouts that I want to do. And I've taken these and put them in Canva as a document of things that I want to play with as part of the project. And if I just get some ideas, I'm just doodling it down in my planner. So this is an extra little step that I'm doing right now. I will, at some point, I'm thinking at the end of October, once Halloween's done, I'm going to put my December seasonal extension pack in the back of here, and I will have that as a part of this whole project as well. So yes, we are embracing December. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, useful. There will be December daily content coming. I'm not going to do it every day because I'm already uploading every day because it'll be planless. And what my plan is that I probably upload a bunch of days together and then give you a flip through at the end and share some thoughts onto how the project went and whether this was therapy or not. So I also want to hear from you. I want to hear any traditions, fun things, unusual things that you do during the holidays or throughout the month of December. What do you do? You know, because obviously there's the usual stuff, putting up the tree, blah, blah, blah. But is there anything fun and interesting that you do? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm just open to some ideas and suggestions for my story each day. All right, I hope that this provided you some comic relief, if not anything else. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!